Hello guys, I just got hired and paid 400 USDD. Now, this is a simple job that I performed for a client I got in the Mercor AI app. Now, the Mercor AI app is a platform where a lot of companies register with the skills that they need. If you find yourself that you have any skill right there, just choose. You are going to be paid instantly, whether it's daily payments, whether it's weekly payment or monthly payments. You are the ones that are going to decide with those clients. Okay, now the name of this app that I'm talking about is the Mercor AI app. Now this is it. Now, once you get the link of this app, which I'll be dropping on the description of this video, go ahead and select any skills that you can be able to work with. There are thousands of companies right here looking for skilled workers, and the best part of it is that they are paying higher. Whether your skills is graphic designer, writing, any skills at all. Let me show you an instance. Now, this is a AI photo contributor, which you are going to be paid $20. Okay, now this is one-time payment, which is $20. Now this is a generalist expert that is paid $60 to $200 every single hour, and you'll be earning $800 right here. As you can see, there are about 88 persons that are being hired just for this month, and all of them are getting paid. What you simply need to do is to go ahead and register, put in your CV, and the best part of it is that they are not just hiring people based on your certificate. Yes, I told you that the CV and your resume is compulsory, okay, but they are not hiring people based on just your CV or your resume or what they sell in the certificate. It is based on your skill, so you have a better advantage of earning any job right here. And the best part of it is that you are going to be selecting your form of payment. If you want to use the Trust wallet as your form of payment, the Phantom wallet, your any wallet at all or any exchange at all, you are the ones choosing. Okay, so this AI platform is literally a one-time shot, and I don't want any of you guys to miss this out. Before I continue to dive deep into this platform, I would like you to go ahead and subscribe into my YouTube channel. Click on all in the notification bell to stay alerted whenever I post a new video. Right here in this channel, I post updates on how to make money online legitimately, and I explain everything starting from the registration down to the withdrawal. That is exactly what I'm going to do right here in this app. So let's dive into this app together. Okay, now once you get your registration done, like I told you, the link of this app will be right there on the description of this video. Go ahead and fill up your profile. Make sure that your profile is being completed. Register your educational level, register your work experience, register your project. You have to do this registration because you never know where work is coming. I started this about 3 days ago. I got a job in the third day and I just got paid. My payment was based on a video editing skills. I was able to do some multiple video for a client. I was able to do some multiple videos for a client. He was able to select just one of these videos, and I just got paid 400 USD instantly into my wallet. So there are millions and thousands of jobs right here that you can actually choose. Like I told you, this is an AI contributor app that is paying 200 USD, a financial analyst paying 80 to 150 per hour. Now this is a professional design expert, whether it's graphic designing, video, any stuff at all that they ask you to do. Once you are able to do it, you are getting paid. Now take this for an example. Now this is a professional design expert. You're going to be paid 80 to 180 in every hour based on the job that you completed. As you can see, I am not due for this job because based on my application, I do not reach what they need for me to participate in the job. So make sure that your application is filled up. Once you get to a job, like you click on it and this is filled up, just go ahead and apply for that job because you are qualified to do that job. So for instance, okay, this job is not done. My domain expert interview, the availability, the work authorization. So check this out. Mercor is seeking a professional design expert to work on a research project for one of the world's top AI. Now, this project involves leveraging your professional experience to make decisions about product design and test preferences. Note, the candidate must have a native performance in English. Just be good in English. Now, the ideal applicants will have worked in a role that requires good taste in visual presentation, design graphics, documents and other files for professional purposes. I told you, okay? Experience with design tools such as the Figma, the Sketch, Adobe Creative Suite. Now the role preference. So the role preference must be able to commit a minimum of 15 hours per week, and these hours that you are contributing per week, you are going to be earning $180 in every week. Okay, now they should be prominent in slides. You know the editing stuff, you must be good in it. So eligibility based, you must be in USA, you must be from UK, you must be from Canada. So if you are not from this country, don't forget that you can also use VPN. Once your VPN is on, and I told you about the most strongest VPN I saw, which is the Proton VPN. Now it is a free VPN that you can use to participate in any job. Just go to the VPN. The registration is very simple. Just go ahead and download this Proton VPN. Change your location to the USA network or the UK network or the Canada network. Once your location is in this network, you can be able to get any jobs that are related to those countries. So if you are eligible, 100% eligible for this job, and your Proton VPN is on, you are good for this job, and you're going to be earning $150 every single week. Okay, now the equal opportunity. We consider all qualified applicants without regards to legally protection characteristics and provide reasonable accommodation upon request. So these are the certain things that you should go through before having a job. Now here is the best part. After doing your job, or even before doing your job, once your profile is settled up, you can be able to earn 720 USDD instantly. Yes, how can you do this? You can do this through referral. As you can see right here, it says sign up to 720 by referring. Share your referral link below and earn up to $720 each for successful referral through your unique link. So this is my unique link. I'm going to be sharing it right there on the description of this video. If you have any question at all, go ahead and ask me. This AI app, which is the Mercor, is legit and it is paying out a lot of people this video. So go ahead and try it out and give me some feedback right there on the comment section. See you guys in the next video. I begin to